In this video, I'm going to walk through the process to install PyCharm on Mac. Now, if you're on a Windows computer and you've already installed PyCharm, then you can skip this video. So you should have now downloaded the PyCharm installer. So go ahead and open up the DMG file. Now, when you see this window, drag the icon for PyCharm into the Applications folder. And now you can go to Spotlight and search for PyCharm. Then go ahead and click on it to open it up. Now make sure that you have admin privileges and go ahead and say open, and then agree to their privacy policy and decide if you want to share data with them or not. Now you can select Never Used PyCharm and click Next. Then you can pick between Dark Theme or Light Theme and click Next, and then go ahead and click on Skip Remaining and Set Defaults. Now we can go ahead and create our first project in PyCharm. Name your project whatever you want, but it's really important that you click on this drop down to check that your project interpreter, and especially the base interpreter, is set to the latest version of Python that you installed, which in my case is Python 3.8. Now, if you're running on a Mac or a Linux, you might see several versions of Python in that drop-down list. So make sure that you select the latest version that you installed and then click Next. Once it has configured and created your new project, this is what you should see. And now you're going to go into your project folder, right-click on it, and then go to New File. Now on a Mac, right-click is also the same as control clicking. So you could hold down the control key and then click on the project folder. And again, choose New and then File. And the file we're going to create is going to be our main.py. Now inside here, all that we're going to do is just print hello world. And we're going to run this code and make sure that it works. So go to Run and then click on this Run button and select the main Python file as the one you want to run. And then down here, you should see the Run tab pop up all of a sudden, and you should see your hello world printed in the console. And then it'll say process finished with exit code 0. 0 is success, and that means you're now all set up and you're ready to start using PyCharm as if it were any other Python editor. So anything that you've done in Replit, you can now do in PyCharm. You can create new files, you can write the files, and you can run those files.